Hey, hello. Um, so I've been scrolling through the internet on how to do a basic thing like this, how to open blend files with the Steam version of Blender. This is actually for Windows, but my problem is in this computer I'm using Ubuntu 24, which is there's no open with um open with specific or custom app. I don't know. But in previous in all other Ubuntu version, I think there there are an option for the custom command, but not here in Ubuntu 24. And uh, let's solve that. Let's solve that. Okay. We need to locate three directories, which is first. The first is the Blender files, where the Blender files located. Second, we need to open applications directory. This is the launchers .desktop files, which is located in .local, share and applications. And third, we need to open the Blender executable directory, which is in the Steam apps, command, and Blender. Okay. So the problem is we 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 doesn't have a Blender launcher in the applications directory. So the file chooser, this won't recognize the Blender. We need to create one, uh, but we need to know where the Blender is located. So the Blender located in this folder. We need to copy this and create a new file here. We can call it whatever we want, but so what the matter is inside the file itself. Okay. Let's open the Blender desktop and let's uh this is very basic desktop entry configuration. Let's type name. Let's make a pair of name pair of uh we can call it Blender, and then exec. This is the executable. Let's paste this location and Blender app, and let's locate the uh, percent u in this. This is to open the file, this file, uh, the open with file. I'm sorry for my bad English. I think you got the point. And let's specify the app type, application. And now we should see Blender here, but we didn't see it yet because I don't know why. But let's let's uh, check the executable as program. Let's see if okay. This is does the job. Okay, and let's try open with, and we can see Blender in here, and we can use that. We can use the Blender for reading the blend files. Okay, I think that it. I supposed to be modeling right now, but yeah, I've got this blocker and I can work right now. Okay, thank you.